Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have two current sources. If this problem looks kind of complex for you, okay, because for some of you this is probably something new, you can redraw it and simply draw your I1 current source next to I2. Okay, because as you can see, this is the parallel circuit, so you can just move this current source to the left side and resistor you can put on the right side and simply draw something like this. Okay, and this is my RL and this is my current IL. So again, when we have two current sources, okay, and as you can see, the direction of both of them, right, are pointing up, so it means we have to add them up because they are going the same way. So we have I total, which is equal IL, is equal I1 plus I2. In this case, this is equal 5 milliamps plus 7 milliamps. 5 milliamps plus 7 milliamps is equal 12 milliamps, and the current is going to flow this way. It's going to go from the top to the bottom, so the current is going to go this way. Okay, we have to add them up because this arrow goes up and this arrow goes up, so both arrows are going the same direction, so it means we have to add these two currents. Okay, and these two currents are going to come to the resistor and total current is going to go down. So this is the solution to my problem.